Press the button?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a memorial service to Lena McPherson, my wonderful mother. I'm sorry I wasn't able to see her pass, but all of her friends and family have been gathered here today, and neighbors, people she's known all of her life. We come and we wanted to do something nice for her. We want to help fix up her gravestone to make she feel nice and comfy. So we take the time out to paint it over real nice, and we put on In Loving Memory of Lena McPherson. And everybody here has taken the time out of them day to show Miss Lena McPherson that she is loved and cared for, and we miss her. We want her to rest in peace today. So I want to bow our heads for a little prayer, just to say, rest in peace, Mama, because we miss you. We all miss you. Alright? He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God in Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, and on His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the horror that flies by day, nor for the pestilence that walks in darkness, nor for the destruction that wastes at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side and 10,000 at right hand, but thou shalt not bother me. Amen. That was my mother's favorite prayer, which is Psalm 91. Now I didn't finish the prayer because unfortunately I don't read my Bible as much as I should. But it was her favorite prayer, and it was a prayer that she taught me from when I was a young kid. So I just want to say, rest in peace, Mama. I miss you. Alright? Right off.
This is Kiki Vidender.